Yeah, so I know you guys see this nose ring. Everybody been talking about it. Everybody been asking me about it. What's up, y'all? Back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. We're going to be doing braids, Jumbo Box Braids. I think they're so cute on me. Anyways, okay, let's get into the video.
So first, we're going to just detangle your hair. I was just quickly brushing through since my hair wasn't that nappy, you know what I mean? So I'm just brushing. I take two pieces of the hair, put them across each other, go around and loop around the other piece of hair, creating 4 strands that are intersected, if that makes any sense. If you need to rewatch that, just go back and rewatch. Here I'm putting Eco Styler gel in my hair just so it could stay together, I guess. I don't know how to say it, but it just gives it a cleaner look. Okay, so this part, it gets kind of complicated. So as you can see, I grabbed one side, and then I made one of the sides, I pretty much separated it into 3 strands, including my hair as another strand. I'll put that again so you guys can see it. Okay, so as you can see, I have one in my hand, another in the other hand. I'm adding my hair to one of the strands, and the one that's looped is in one hand. So now I have 3 strands and ready to braid. And now I grab it super firmly, and I just start braiding. And you have to be really, really tight with it, otherwise it's not gonna look nice at all. So yeah, you want to braid very tightly. Go slowly if you need to. And I just braid. And I'm braiding it all together, and there it goes. And I just keep braiding and braiding and braiding all the way down. And I usually braid all straight back, which is why I'm in this awkward position, but then I turn around, as you can see, and I try to see if I can make it look any neater by braiding straight down, if that makes sense. Now this braid is a little loose, and I was actually going to be late for work, so I decided to leave it as it is. But the tighter your grip is, the better the braid will be, but you don't want your grip to be too tight, because braids that are too tight can cause hair damage. So just make sure you have a good grip at the roots at least, just so you can. I had Vaseline all over the place, girl. I was all over the place.
Okay, y'all, so this is how it turned out. My lip gloss is so messy. Oh, yes, this is how it turned out. I haven't put it in hot water yet. I was in a bit of a rush when I did it. If the quality looks a little different, it's because I'm filming on my phone, because I didn't feel like taking out my camera just to film the rest of this video. I really like it. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. I think it's cute. It's really, I don't know. It feels weird. I don't know. I haven't had braids in a long time. I got it from Amazon, and they came in these little tiny packets. I think I have a video on my Insta story. I'm gonna try and download it and insert it in the next clip.
Oh, my weave just came in the mail. Like, look at all of this. And it all cost me less than $30. I kid you not. And I got like this hair gel. All of it less than $30.
So you guys can know what I'm talking about. I don't think it was a specific brand. If it was, check in the description and then you will know, because I'm gonna look it up after I finish filming this. You know, it's not like the best because I was like in a rush or whatnot, but it got the job done. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's good, it's cute. And I don't gotta mess with my natural hair for a while now. Or whatever. Like, I don't gotta worry about it for a little minute. So, is that everything I need to say about the hair? If you like me, subscribe. And I love talking to you guys when y'all talk to me. Like, y'all be quiet. Like, y'all be shy. Whatever, though. Whatever. Yeah, so I know you guys see this nose ring. Everybody been talking about it. Everybody been asking me about it. No, it is not real. No, I did not go get a real nose piercing. It is fake. I got it from Shein. If you watched my Shein video, you would know I got these nose rings for fashion purposes. Also, to simply see, if you guys can see, there's a whole bunch of them in here. There's gold and there's black, and this one's the fake cartilage piercing right here. I'm not getting this one yet. Like, I mean, I can get it, I think. I don't know if my dad will let me get it, but actually, no, he won't. He don't like piercings, but I'm definitely getting this one. But the nose piercing, I was kind of like iffy about. Like, I was like, I don't know, should I get it? I don't know. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just see what it looks like on me, and if I like it, I like it. This nose piercing can be worn in many different ways. You can wear it in the middle. You can wear it like the one that hoops like this. Hoops like this. That's really it, to be honest. Like, how else would you wear it? I posted a story of it hanging right here, and people were just like, oh, well, you got another one. And I was like, no, it's still the same thing. It's just, yeah, and like, when I pull it, it doesn't come out, obviously, because you don't want it to just fall out. I've been wanting this piercing since I was like 9, but obviously I was 9, so I couldn't get it. I have 2 on each ear on my earlobes. I was like, I just love piercing. I like how it looks. I think some days I want to have the nose ring and some days I don't. You just can't decide to not wear earrings or not wear nose rings because it'll close up and you'll have to get it again. So I feel like if I want to go a month without this thing, I can, because there's no real hole there. It's just fake, right? Anywho, my hair is cute. And don't forget, don't untip your crown because you're all that inside and out. Peace.